The arm-supported dumbbell spider curl trains the biceps in their shortened position. To set up, you can either use a Smith machine or a barbell in a squat rack for the arm support. Set the bench to around 30 to 45 degrees and the barbell at a height that allows you to wheel the bench over the top of it. Lie with your chest supported on the bench and place the back of your upper arm just above the elbow against the barbell. You may need to readjust the height of the barbell to do so. Next, position your body so that your arm is hanging vertically with your wrists, elbows, and shoulders stacked. For the action, on the concentric with your palms up, flex your elbow, aiming to touch your forearm with your bicep. For an additional squeeze, you can rotate your hands at the top, pointing your pinky towards the sky. On the eccentric, lower the weight with control, reversing the action. For proper alignment, ensure that your wrists, elbows, and shoulders are stacked vertically in the bottom position. If you're experiencing elbow or wrist pain, you can adjust your grip to a semi-supinated grip. This is where your palms are around a 45-degree angle rather than facing directly upward.